I think it's clear as hell that the barber industry has a huge issue with thinking big. If nothing over the last 2 days has shown you that, over the last 3 days has shown you that, I mean, you need to wake the fuck up. And I need you to understand this. It's not gonna change overnight. It's probably not even gonna change in 5 years. So you better get used to it. You better start loving the fact that everybody's against you every day. You better start loving the fact that everybody's gonna be doubting you, telling you you're fucking dumb every fucking day. Because guess what? When you're on this journey to scale your barber business, to do something that everybody thinks is dumb as fuck, no, be realistic, all this shit, stay with the norm. They're not gonna change in a day. They're not gonna change in a year. Like I said, in due time they will, but it's not gonna be easy. And so you better get used to living in that. Get used to thriving in that. Let the fucking dog out sometime. Because if you at any moment in time got your tail between your legs, they've won. You can't allow them to do that. If you take your foot off the gas pedal, they win. They were right. This is one of those moments, well, again, too, I talk about character defining moment. This is one of those moments. Who the fuck is right? They think they're right. You think you're right. Every single day, you gotta get up and be like, I gotta prove them wrong. And I gotta prove why I'm fucking right. I don't want to hear from anybody that you're falling off. I don't want to hear anymore that, oh man, I'm just unfocused. That bullshit should be done and over with. There's literally a group of people out there who are saying you are dumb as fuck for thinking this way and thinking this is possible. Come back down to my level. Crabs in the bucket mentality. If that doesn't fire you the fuck up every fucking day, I don't know what will. I can tell you this, maybe business isn't right for you. And that's an honest conversation you need to have with yourself maybe. Because this is competition now. Stakes are high. Literally, the history books are getting written as we speak. And that should fire you the fuck up. That should not get you scared to take more action. I still don't understand the mentality of thinking small. Or just somebody who just has a hard time to think big. I don't understand it. Maybe their parents didn't love them when they grew up. Maybe, I don't know, something happened to them. Maybe somebody touched them as a kid. I don't know what happened, right? But somewhere along the way, they did not have that belief in themselves or belief in others. Maybe they just judge other people, man. Right? Maybe they just judge other people. And goddamn, I feel bad for them. That must be a shitty life to live, huh? That must be a shitty existence to live every fucking day. You just wake up judging the fuck out of everyone. So I want you to be taking action today. Again, what are we at? Thursday right now. Guess what? Your business isn't going to change overnight. Neither is their mentality. But in due time, if you stay focused, again, I don't know how many of you heard me on the live, right? I was talking about, can a barber make $20K a month? Yes. But they got to give up a lot of shit. Very few are going to be willing to do that. We're getting more and more guys to be able to do that. But look, if you want those things, it's literally the pathway is there for you right now. Do this. Don't do this. Focus on this. Cut this out. Can you do that over an extended period of time? Yeah, anybody can do it for a fucking month. Any of you fucks can do it for a fucking day. Can you do it for 12 months? Can you do it for 36 months? Who can really last in that time frame? That's where the real battle is won. And I don't think you guys understand. The easy fucking part is just saying no to everything. The hard part is doing it consistently over a day-by-day basis, right? Especially when days get hard. But those are the ones that are character-defining moments. And you guys have to be looking to prepare yourselves for those hard moments when you don't want to do it, when you want to break your streak, when you want to go back down to zero. Because all of you have yet to be able to get that done. All of you, no, I shouldn't say all of you. A lot of you, actually, yeah, all of you, even including myself. I've done that too. I've fallen back down to zero and had to build it back up again. You have to be able to stay locked in over a long period of time. You have to know the war that's going on. Yes, you're motivated right now. Yes, you're fired up. What's going to be like 6 months from now? Right? How can you keep this alive? That's the fucking game. The easy part's just doing the work. Keeping that fire alive is the main source. As long as you're fired the fuck up, you're good to go. I know I'm good to go. I'm ready for war. So my challenge for you today is this. Yes, you're in that white hot space right now. Yes, you're motivated. Yes, you want to prove motherfuckers wrong. But can you stay there for the next 6 months and not waver? Because the last thing I ever want to see, I ever want to hear a barber say on a call, I ever want to see posted in the community of the New Era Barbering or Elevated Mentorship is, I fell off. Because that means you were not taking this shit seriously. Make that deal with yourself right now. Because we got a long way to go, comrades. And we got a big war coming up. So let's lock the fuck in, prep up for war, and get this thing popping. Let's continue fucking up the industry.